what this is? Can you guess? No, it's not alcohol. It's liquid, yes, it's oil. It's the oil of a plant that we'll be talking about today. Continue viewing as we'll talk more about neem and its benefits towards breast cancer awareness. Hi everyone, welcome back to Monday Meds. I hope your week is off to a great start. Happy Monday to you all. Yes, it's Monday and it is a holiday here in Jamaica. It is Heroes Day. Happy Heroes Day to all my fellow Jamaicans here in Jamaica at home and also abroad. And yes, as we reflect on what our heroes and heroine did for us, and even those who were not named heroes, what have you or what will you do to leave? What legacy will you leave for your family and friends and even for your nation? That's something I'd like to challenge us today and even this week as we move forward in this third week of October. All right, so I see that you're enjoying these videos on garlic and aloe vera, and yes, today we will continue with the series. I'm talking and focusing on breast cancer awareness. So yes, we will be focusing on something that many Jamaicans know, and yes, it is actually something that is great. It's a herb that is great for cancer prevention. And so yes, we will go right into it. Do you know this? Can you guess what this is? I know many Jamaicans probably think that it's in a bottle that reminds them of alcohol. I know, but it's not alcohol. It is actually the oil from what we are talking about today. And yes, we will be talking about neem. Do you know it? Neem. So this is neem oil. Yes, neem oil. And shout out to Anthony. I got this from him, yes, in Mandeville Town. Shout out to you, Anthony. And yes, it is actually one that is it can be toxic, so definitely you don't want to drink this oil. But as we talk about cancer prevention and neem, yes, neem is known to help cancer. A back pocket. It is the leaves of the neem. And let me show you them. I don't want to have them blown away. So these are the dried leaves of neem. I don't have the fresh ones, but this is actually a great way to preserve the fresh leaves. And so yes, the neem leaves, they're great to you can infuse them in water. Yes, you can use them fresh. If you can get them fresh, you can use them fresh to help you fight cancer or to prevent cancer growth. And so yes, as we talk more about neem this week, definitely we will do another video. So we'll do part 2 of this video. Yes, it's a holiday and we have quite a lot of videos. I know you have the garlic video uses to catch up on for last weekend. Over that last weekend we shared that is a tree. It is a slow growing white evergreen tree that you can find really in northeastern India, also be found in Myanmar. And neem is very great for fighting viruses, and that is one of the benefits or one of the reasons it is great for fighting breast cancer or fighting cancer. And so yes, neem is one of those powerful plants. And how you can use it, you can use the parts you can use the fruit. Yes, it does produce a fruit. You can use the leaves, you can use the branches, you can use the wood, you can use the bark, and yes, like I showed you, you can use the oil. And but again, the oil is toxic for internal use, so definitely don't use it internally. All right, and yes, so it has some properties. It has anti-inflammatory properties. It does has antimicrobial properties. It has an antiseptic property and also astringent. So yes, you can use it for cleaning and you can use it for mouth. So yes, you can use it also for a sedative. And it also has, it does have anti-pesticide. So it can be used as a great pesticide. But we will continue on the uses in part 2 later on, and part 2 video later on this week. So yes, as we talk about neem, there is a lot of benefits. You can use the leaves, fresh leaves, you can use dry leaves. The dried leaves, you can use it in so many different ways. And yes, we will start a program, we will start a series just this week, later this week, on Did You Know? So that series will talk about foods, how they come about, because sometimes we may not think about them. So yes, that will be one feature that will be new on Monday Medz. So yes, we actually got a chance to do some work on my cousin's farm and we did reap some cabbage. Yes, some cabbage yesterday. Look out for those videos. And yes, we do have lots of videos to share with you. So definitely stay tuned. And yes, as we talk about the leaves, the neem leaves, we will definitely consider this, that yes, the Bible says that the leaves shall be for the healing of the nation. So yes, the neem leaves is for us to be healed. And so yes, once we know the proper way of using it, it can help us to ward off cancer cells, and also it can help us if we do contract or develop the cancer. Yes, it can help to reduce and to destroy those cancer cells. The leaves shall be for the healing of the nation. Let us use these leaves and other leaves around us to heal our body, heal our bodies, our minds, and our spirit. I pray you'll have a wonderful week, everyone, and God be with you. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you for joining us. And yes, be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe in the link below or the button for new videos and more on your Monday Medz.